Member, why are you raising, Commissioner?
First Deputy Speaker, I have a suggestion for the Ministry. First Deputy Speaker, there's a saying that goes, first impression matters. And I'm sure most of us have been on a plane before, and most of us have landed on our airports before. Now, first impression matters. When you are landing at Chirega Obagiri Muhoozi International Airport or Kia, if you're a visitor from outside, your first time coming to Malawi, what do you see? First impression matters. Now, imagine, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, if we build an international airport in Mangoji, another international airport in Salima, then this should just be used for domestic. First impression matters. Whoever is coming for the first time in Malawi, the first thing they see before they land, blue, the lake, a beautiful view. This is one way of us marketing. This gives us a chance to market Malawi beyond tourism. So this is just a suggestion for, Kamuzu moved the capital city from Zomba to Lilongwe. We can also move our international airports from Lilongwe to Salima, from Blanta to Mangoji. Suggestion. Thank you so much, Mr. President.
Thank you. That's the beauty of this House. We give floors for us to bring our ideas and debate them. Leader?
Thank you very much, First Deputy Speaker. The issues as raised by Blantyres in Ngwangwa well articulated in the DPP manifesto that we are implementing. So when we are talking about the National Transport Master Plan, all these issues are well highlighted. It's only that we've just started implementing them. It will take a bit of time. But that is where we're headed to. We want to make sure that we modernize all our airports and make sure that there's proper connectivity within the country. You are right. First impression matters most everywhere else. That is what we need to address as a country. I thank you very much.